In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice of Microsoft Copilot, your AI companion, to better suit your preferences. Whether you're looking for a different accent, a more calming tone, or just want to change a pace, we'll walk through this process step by step to make it as simple as possible. First things first, you'll need to go to the Microsoft Copilot chat interface. This is where you'll find the controls needed to tweak your AI companion's voice settings. Think of it as the main hub where all the customization magic happens. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the voice icon. It's usually symbolized by a small microphone or a sound wave symbol, but the exact design might vary slightly depending on any updates or design changes. Click on that icon to reveal the voice settings menu. This is your gateway to the variety of voice options available. Once you've accessed the voice settings, the next step is to really dive into them. Clicking on voice settings opens up a world of possibilities. Here, you will find numerous options that allow you to modify various aspects of the voice to match your preferences. Now, don't be overwhelmed by all the options you might see here. It's actually quite user-friendly. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Maybe explore what each setting offers if you're curious. Now comes the fun part, choosing a new voice. Within the voice settings, you'll see a list of available voices. Each voice might have a brief demo clip that you can listen to, helping you choose the one that resonates best with you. Whether you're in the mood for a British gentleman, a soothing Canadian accent, or perhaps a lively Australian voice, there's often a little something for everyone. Just select the one you prefer by clicking on it. Spend a few moments to explore different options. Remember, this is your chance to customize how your AI sounds, so make sure you pick one that you'll enjoy listening to. Once you've selected the voice that feels right, it's as simple as saving the changes. Most interfaces will automatically save your changes, but if there is a save button, be sure to click it before moving on. It's always a good idea to check if there's any confirmation prompt to make sure your changes have taken effect. And that's it! You've successfully customized the voice of your Microsoft Copilot. You can now enjoy interacting with your AI companion in the voice that suits your mood or needs. It's all about creating a personalized experience that enhances your everyday interaction